Welcome to Rapid IT Cloudbera's third video of the Genie Advantage series. My name is Sasha Kapoor and I am the QA Program Manager at Rapid IT Cloudbera. Today, I'm going to discuss Genie's Tenant and Payroll Compare features. Genie's Tenant Compare will enable your organization to compare business processes and security groups between two different tenants such as Sandbox and Production. The Payroll Compare, on the other hand, allows you to compare payrolls either between two tenants or between two different pay periods in the same tenant and ensure no unknown variances occur. These features thus provide you greater accuracy over manual testing. Let's now take a deeper dive into these features. The Tenant Compare functionality gives customers a peace of mind by ensuring the most up-to-date configuration on your business processes that were tested and approved in Sandbox are available in production as well. Any variances that occur to the configuration will be flagged by Genie. Now, the Tenant Compare in Genie is as simple as providing details of the source and target tenant, such as your Sandbox and Production, and the business process definitions that need to be compared. Once we provide those details, Genie then gives us information about the business process steps, system notifications, custom notifications, and all other information about the business process definitions in the two tenants. The Tenant Compare feature is also extended to security groups in order to ensure that there are no discrepancies in permissions to the domains between two tenants. Precise access being granted as designated by your organization will avoid hindering your organization's goals with respect to segregation of duties and compliance. Just as the business process comparison, the security comparison requires you to provide details about the source and target tenant and the security groups that are to be compared. Genie then gives us information about the domains listed in security groups, the business process initiation action, business process view action, and all other information about the security groups between the source and target tenants. Also note that security access is granted manually in production, so there could be a potential incorrect assignment on domains which can be easily flagged by Genie to ensure accuracy. Let us now look at the Payroll Compare utility in Genie. The Payroll Compare gives the customer ability to compare either between two payrolls in the same tenant or between same payrolls in two different tenants. This feature is used to find any potential configuration issues based on the new patch or release that is applied to your preview tenants. The Payroll Compare utility in Genie requires you to give information about the source and target tenants and the pay periods that need to be compared. Any variances between payrolls, including earnings, deductions, and taxes at the pay component level is flagged so payroll team can look into the variances. Here's a glimpse of the earnings comparison for an employee in the two tenants. Similarly, this is the deductions comparison, and here is a summary of the taxes. As mentioned, any variances can therefore be analyzed and rectified if needed. Next week will be our final video for this series. I will discuss the robust features using Genie for integrations and reports. Registration is now open for our upcoming webinar series where I will be sharing what's new in Workday 2021 R1 for HCM and financials. Please do register to know more. Thank you so much for your time today. And if you would like to learn more about Rapid IT Cloudbera's best-in-class automation solution, Genie, please visit our website or reach out to us by email at info@rapiditcloudbera.com. Thank you.